good, fam? We got a big day today. We got a few friends coming over. They got Paul and Sophie. They're one of our close friends we've had for ages. We used to live with them in our house accommodation. They used to share with us. We're gonna cook them a nice meal. It's also celebrating my auntie's birthday, Lola Ross. She is here from the Philippines, and we're gonna put a feast on. No filler food. This one's gonna be all Lao food. Amanda's mum's in the kitchen slaving away. The lounge room's all set up to be for I think 12 people. We got my other cousins coming over. Yeah, we're just having a mad feast. It's gonna be a hot one again today. It's just Sydney's West. If you don't live in New South Wales, the Sydney's West is just incredibly hot. I don't know, it can't be this bad. Some places, if you're closer to the water near, say, Brighton and stuff, it's a lot cooler. So the ocean's cooling it down. We've got the mountains and it's just not, it just doesn't help. In winter, it's freezing here. Anyway, back to the story. We're getting the house ready. We've got a few dishes to cook. I'll show you a few videos at the moment with mum cooking. This is Amanda's mum. It's all the Lao food. This one's ham cow. This is the head chef. Excited who we're seeing today, girls? Who's coming over?
Maple!
Are you okay? Tăm
Chào. Chào.
Chào.
Chào.
Chili. Lap. It's pork mince, pork lap. Sticky rice, but the cooker.
Sticky rice, yeah.
Is that the goop? No, that's the goop.
We call what?
What? Yeah. I just want to show you these ones. So this one here, that's the normal, that's Vietnamese mint, that one, Ma?
Yeah, Vietnamese mint.
That's normal mint. What's that one? That's like the one I don't like.
That's another type of mint or basil. Is it mint? A Vietnamese mint.
Yeah, and then
My snake bean. Yeah.
and then this one's got the garlic leaves. There's a heaps of chives down the bottom. The lettuce.
Có đàn lén ở đây nè.
Yeah.
Họ
How can?
Cái miếng này.
Whoa, is that the nap cow? Yeah. That was so hot out there. That's the sauce for the satay chicken?
Get the bowl. The plate. Then put it in the plate. Looks nice.
Mum likes to keep it looking presentable.
Yeah.
What you got there?
Satay chicken. Why is it nothing in it?
Nah, it's for it. Just in case. Now this is the spicy version. Like 2 chilies. fish sauce. Yeah, it's like there's no measuring. It's like by taste. This one's like, what was this one? Sun-dried.
Dry.
Oh, sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Oh.
You have to put that. You have to put this one.
It makes it, gives it the crunch.
Oh, you can though, but it's not.
It makes sticky
We
rice.
get lots of vegetables here, so lots of things.
Dạ, không có đi lên hả?
We're going to be eating all day.
You got the sous chef, head chef.
You don't have to worry about
Away!
Oh yeah, you go eat it.
No, I'm gonna take
Really?
it.
That's the icing on the cake. Sorry, the icing on the lap.
That's not what cheese, but it's from
For all you Lao guys that eat so much chili. You like apple, don't you?
maybe they
That is hectic. This is a big hit all the time. Everywhere we go, eh? Deep fried rice. Nam Pao. Yeah, that's my request.
Dạ.
Oh, look at that
You
herb.
can taste the MSG.
Masa nói được.
Oh, you can taste it.
Just put on the top, that's okay.
So your chicken.
Yeah. Look at that famous deep fried chicken. Yeah.
Đểกินเหรอ
Huh?
มากินเนาะ เดี๋ยวมันจะอะไร
There's lots of food. Lots of food.
My
Oh,
my fingers.
You can get this. Yeah, that's how you do it. Cut your nails. I'm sure they're done. The best thing to do is check get the fattest one, and then we'll cut it open. Whoa! Missed out on that. Not bad for a TV boy. Oh, it's good. Just finished cooking. Paul and Sophie are a bit late. They're on their way now. Mum's been slaving away at that kitchen, like, since the time of, let's say, she started cooking at 8 o'clock.
Thanks everyone.
So, you enjoying yourself so far?
Of course.
Yeah?
Enjoy.
Oh, do you want beer, baby? Oh, no, 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 no.
Thank you. Hello.
That's that crying tiger. What about how's the tongue going?
Oh, that's where it's going.
I'm keen for this one.
I bet you this will hit my gut up.
Hey. Diggy bowl. Alright, dig in, start eating. Yeah. So that's Korean tiger. That's hot stuff. There's Mum's getting the sauce.
Okay, this one not hot, this one hot. Okay?
The red lady is hot.
This one here
Come
hot.
on, man of the house.
Because red is fire.
Too chilly.
This one hot, not hot. This one hot, this one not hot.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. That's why I put red on it.
Just a tomato in this one.
Oh,
Oh, hey, happy birthday.
Oh, so I'm not know like what the poor.
which one is hot?
Oh, like
red
the
one.
like the
Red one.
Get your eating.
I thought you just I
You're
will.
gonna take the onion out of that, okay?
They're running late.
Not
That's
much
hot
time.
stuff.
Oh, sorry, but I was just getting everyone right. You do it.
Okay.
I mean, I'm done. No, okay? We're done eating. More? For the food.
Straight for the fish.
How are you going to
Just give her chicken. Chicken. What about chicken? Hey, you. Just give me one. Oh, you like it.
Alright, let's go. You happy then?
This is the way Filipino
Is that? Papaya. Sarap yan. Now make sure you get heaps in the right. That's it. More. Thanks for cooking, Mom. Thank you for cooking. That's awesome.
Just started eating too.
Yeah. You want to show us that zucchini, bro?
Seriously?
How do you know zucchinis can get this big?
Bro, it looks like an egg. It looks like an eggplant.
Hold it. Look how heavy it
So Sophie's brother grew that.
is. Yeah.
Excitement is because of her. She's so excited. Lola Ross, happy birthday to you. Hey, babe. Hello.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Ayan. Gusto mo lagyan natin.
Where's the coffee? Some more coffee or?
Oh, do you want coffee? Anybody want coffee?
Freaking huge. Paul's having a siesta. I can't carry it like a phone. Far out.
Tita's birthday. Oh my god, that was close. I felt it right there. Did you get that?
Whoa,
That was
dude.
so close.
Whoa, it was nice helping her.
Often had a successful lunchtime with Paul and Sophie arriving. Everyone's in a bit of a food coma right now. Siesta just kicked in real hard. It's just so hot. like right now, it's probably the peak at 40, 41 or 42 degrees. The cars are so hot. We're gonna just chill now. Mum and Lola at the Ross are just relaxing. But yeah, I just want to, man, I'm so full. There's so much food. We will have dinner a bit later. Dinner's gonna probably be another big feast, and my cousins had to go to work. My cousin Berlin, he went all out and just, yeah, it's fiesta. Dad's fallen asleep because he's still in flight mode from England, and the girls are just enjoying their presents. Maple, which you would have seen, is Paul and Sophie's fur baby. It's a great little puppy dog, absolutely amazing. They're now just chilling. Anyway, just thought I'd say goodbye to you guys, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe and like. I see I've got new subscribers. I'm at 51 now. Just want to thank you all for subscribing. I know it's a lot of family and friends, but thanks for the help. It's been amazing. Anyway, stay tuned. There'll be more videos. Peace out.